Welcome everybody. Today we've got Lifeline from, obviously a medic for G.I. Joe. Little read up on him is Edwin C. Steen from Seattle, Washington. Grade E5. Lifeline was a paramedic with the Seattle Fire Department for 5 years before he discovered that the EMS personnel who were disabled while giving aid off-duty were not eligible for pensions. In his mind, rescue personnel were never off-duty. He decided to make his status permanent by enlisting in the Army as a corpsman. Elite units always take care of their own. Joes are no exception. The troops have to know that if something is really heavy comes down on them, then they're in no condition to walk out of the mess. So somebody's going to have the heart to wade in and extricate them. That somebody is Lifeline. Pretty detailed figure, really. You look at all kinds of, pouches, holster, sidearm, knife, flashlight, carried, at his harness around back, and he's got his head nods, swivel arm battle grip, of course. Like virtually all of them Joes. His hips are probably 95%. I'll probably change his out tomorrow too, because I'm just going to be going through and doing them all. Get all 4 of them from this week. He's a little loose, but it's not. It's probably one that doesn't need to be changed. I'm just going to change it. I don't think I have any of his accessories. I didn't. Honestly, I forgot to look and see what his accessories looked like. Okay, let's see. I got a picture of it right here I can pull up. Okay, yeah, he came with like a big first aid kit. Looks like maybe a sidearm and a backpack. I do not recognize any of those, so I don't think I've got any of them downstairs. But that's Lifeline. Got the goggles and the shades. He's double cool that way. And that's a pretty unique figure as far as the Joes go. They weren't sort of, you didn't see many bright red ones. They did sort of try and usually stuck a little camouflage. I guess he could ignore the was it teal and orange underwater guy. But anyway, wait a second, I do have one of his accessories downstairs. I just didn't notice his. I just saw it. He came with an air mask. Okay, so I'll have to go put that in his card with him. But anyway, thanks for watching everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.